Hold on.
am writing you this letter as a warning that I've been watching you at home and at school. And I am
Uh-oh, disappointed.
in your behavior. I know that you are a very smart, bright, young.
Oh, it's okay. It's all right, babe. Listen, he says you're a very smart, bright young lady, but you've been making bad choices lately. I want to give you... You're going to make me cry. Listen. I want to give you one more chance to prove to me that you know how to behave well, listen, and control your actions before Christmas. The elves and I will be watching you very closely now. When you show your teachers and parents what a good girl you are, then good things will happen for you. Hey, that's what I say. He says the same thing as me. I promise, I already have your presents picked out. Now it's up to you to have them delivered. See? So he still believes in you. Tell your mom and dad hello for me, and I'll be sure to stop by Jaden and Blythe's house since they've been very good this year. Lots of love, Santa Claus. You okay? What do you think? What are you sad about?
He's very disappointed in me.
Oh. You think you can do better?
Yes.
You think you can turn it around while he's watching you?
Yes.
I know he knows you're a good girl. I know.
He doesn't though. He's disappointed in me. How does he? If he's disappointed, then how does he know I'm a good girl?
Because he said it. He said, I know you're a good girl, but you're making bad choices. We can change that, right? We're going to try a lot harder.
And why is the camera pointing to me when I'm crying?
Sorry.